Welcome to MindFlows. Today, we will teach you on how to create or add a board to your Monday.com mobile app. Just in case you are in a very rare scenario where you really have to create one now, this tutorial is for you. To start, let's tap on the light blue circle with the plus icon. Then, we can choose to start creating a board from scratch or choose among these templates available right here. In our case today, we are going to choose to build our board from scratch. So let's click Create New Board. Our new board is still empty, so let's add a column by clicking Add Column on the right side and tapping any of these available column types here. Let's choose a status column, then add a number column. To select and view other column types, we have to tap the See All columns at the very bottom, and the column center will appear. Please note that not all column types will be available on the Monday.com mobile app. The mirror column, for example. So it's best if we want to have our board to be as completely relevant as possible, then it's best to build it from a computer. To edit the label of a status, click any of the gray boxes, then tap on Add or Edit Labels. Let's add active status, for example, with the color blue. Tap the new label at the bottom to add another. Then, change the color to light green or any color that we want, and change the label to Done. So this would basically be the status for all tasks, projects, or whatsoever that has been completed. Adding another with the color orange for those tasks that are currently being worked on. Then, let's also add a stuck status to label those kinds of stuff that we seemingly hard to process and move on. To view a glimpse of some other information and activity for your board, just click the three dots on the top left, and this will be displayed on your screen. Like you wanted to collapse and expand the groups on your board, zoom something, view the activity log, delete the board, and others. To give your board a name and description, then edit these texts available right here. And to change the board type, just tap on the drop-down menu and choose from these three board types here. As simple as that. Download the Monday.com mobile app now and communicate with your team easily in 1, 2, and 3. Follow us for more Monday.com tutorials. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.